If you're watching this video right now, it's because you're looking to start making money online using affiliate marketing, but you have no clue where to get started. Well, look no further, my friend, because in this video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process on how I make money using affiliate marketing and how you can get started making money in as little time as possible. No fluff and no BS, just real results and our exact formula for achieving these results. I'm literally giving you the full recipe, including the secret formula, for free in the next few minutes. I'll start by explaining what exactly affiliate marketing is and show you how we use affiliate marketing to make a respectable monthly income. After that, I'm going to get into the 4-step process that I would use today if I was going to get started doing all of this over again so that you can follow along and start making money yourself. Now, if you want to skip over this entire explanation and just jump straight to the 4 steps, then go ahead and click on the timestamps down in the description. Sound good? All right, cool. So what exactly is affiliate marketing and how are so many people making a passive income from it? Well, to put it simply, affiliate marketing is just getting paid a commission for selling other people's products. This means zero startup costs and no overhead for running the business because you don't need anything but a computer and an internet connection to get started. Now, a large majority of companies offer affiliate programs these days, and it's incredibly simple to sign up and become an affiliate of theirs. Once you have signed up, you get your own custom affiliate links to their products or services that you can share with your audience. By doing this, they can track how many sales you're getting from your specific affiliate links and pay you accordingly. Generally, these companies pay a percentage of that sale, but some pay a flat rate fee per sale. So the name of the game here is to find a large audience of people who have a specific problem or a need. And then your job is to find products or services that will fix those problems for that audience. Then you can create some free content talking about those products or services that include your affiliate links to those products. People who find value in the content may click on your links and choose to purchase, and when they do, you get paid. Now let's get into how much money people actually make from this. And well, the sky's the limit. I have multiple friends who make money doing affiliate marketing, ranging from a few $100s a month to well over 6 figures a month. Now, we personally make a majority of the income here at Create a Pro website through affiliate marketing by recommending various web design tools and softwares that we use personally. It really comes down to what kind of products or services that you're sharing and the size of the audience that you're sharing them to. As I mentioned before, some companies pay a commission per sale and others pay a flat rate fee. We obviously want to find a good balance between a high-paying offer and a niche that has a large enough audience of people that are interested in paying for that high offer. So let's get hypothetical. Let's say you have a goal making $5,000 per month with this, and you found a cool product that pays you about $100 rate commission per sale. This would mean you only need 50 people to buy that product or service to hit your goal of $5,000. On the other hand, if you had a product that maybe only paid you 10% of a commission on the product that only cost $20, well, now you're only getting $2 per sale. This means that you need 2,500 sales to hit your goal of $5,000 per month. So more expensive products may mean you need less sales, but those sales may be harder to actually get due to the expense involved. As you can see, there are many ways to slice this pie. It all comes down to finding that perfect balance, which brings us right along to my 4-step process of getting started with all of this. Follow these 4 steps and you'll be able to find that right balance of the right offer to the right audience of people that you can achieve your financial goals. So step number 1 is picking your niche. This is pretty simple once you know what you're looking for. I like to start off by picking a solid niche that I, first off, have interest or a knowledge about. It's much easier making content about stuff that you like. And the other thing that you want is a niche that has a large enough audience that may be interested in slightly more valuable products or services. If you know you're picking, say, the cooking niche, this gives you a bunch of options of products that you can make content on and try and sell. But people in the cooking niche may not be as willing to spend as much money as people, say, in the filmmaking niche or the fitness niche, or you get the point. There may be less people in a more specific niche, but if that smaller group is able to spend more money, it may be worth considering. Once you have a niche in mind, start to find out where these groups of people hang out online and see what kind of content they're consuming. What are the social media platforms that these people are using? What kind of products are they searching for or asking questions about? What are some of their biggest pain points or problems that they're having? What are some of the trends that you see happening that maybe you can hop on? What keywords are people searching for? These are all good things to research about your niche and audience because it will help us when we get to the next step of choosing the best products to offer them. We here at Create a Pro Website chose the how to make a website niche because we realized the amount of people who needed websites was growing by the day, and there wasn't that many people teaching us how to make one yourself without needing to hire a web developer and pay a large amount of money to do so. I personally love building websites, and just by showing someone how to make one in the most affordable way possible provides a great amount of value to that person, and enjoyment for me as well. This niche also has many different options or products that we can share and review in order to generate income without directly selling anything ourselves. So once you've done some research and you start to think of a good niche with a decent size and a decent value, now we can jump into the next step of finding a solid product or service to offer them. Alright, so this is the fun part. We get to select any product or service that we think we can provide the most value to our specific audience. So first I'm going to talk about what are the best types of products to choose with some examples, and then I'm going to show you guys where you can find those best offers. So when it comes to choosing a solid product to offer, I'd focus on finding something that hits on one of these three things. You're looking for something that people are extremely passionate about, or solves a problem, or people can make money off of. These are great places to start when it comes to choosing which product or service you're trying to offer. Let's say your niche happens to be super passionate about something like cats, for example. A loving cat owner would gladly pay money for things for their cat, or even products that just have cats on them because of how passionate they are about cats and their love of cats. So maybe you write a blog post about the best cat feeders of 2022 where you compare different models of cat feeders. Now you can insert your affiliate links to those cat feeders into your blog post so that if the reader decides to buy one of your options you're comparing, then you get paid. This example not only covers the passionate part of choosing a good product, but it also covers the problem-solving aspect as well, because an automatic cat feeder is helping a cat owner feed their cat automatically when they're not home. Anytime your product or offer you're sharing solves a problem, there is going to be more room to make content about that product. If you can solve someone's problem and make them money using the product, well, now you've just got a winner. If you recommend products to, say, business owners, for example, they're more willing to spend money because they know that this will generate income in the future for them. Sometimes you can even recommend softwares that have a monthly subscription plan that will continue to pay you commissions every month that they stay signed up. Trends in your niche can also be good signs of what products to offer. Maybe you know there's a lot of hype about a specific certain product or niche, like a new camera that just came out, and all the photographers are talking about it. This is where it helps to do that research and find out these trends so that you know what products to make some content on and at just the right time. So that's the general thought process and criteria that I use when it comes to picking a good product, but now you might be asking yourself, where do I even find these winning products? Well, like I mentioned earlier, a large majority of your favorite companies offer affiliate programs that you can join for free, and it only takes a few clicks to get signed up. So if you have one brand or product that you support and you want to create content on, then head over to their website and see if they offer an affiliate program. It'll usually be down here in the footer of the website. Or you can just Google that company's name with affiliate program at the end of it and see what pops up. Sometimes even your favorite social media influencers have products or courses maybe that they're selling, and they offer an affiliate program so that you can get paid for sharing their products for them. Okay, but wait a second. What if I told you that there's an even better way to find those products than that? Well, you also have the option of signing up for an affiliate network, where you'll have access to hundreds of affiliate programs and offers that you can browse through and get ideas on. The one that I use the most is called Impact, and it hosts a large variety of different companies' affiliate programs. Once you sign up, you can scroll through these different categories of affiliate offers that you may want to create some content about and then share with your audience. And a few other options that I've used in the past are ClickBank and Amazon Associates program. With Amazon Associates, you can get commissions off of literally anything that's listed on Amazon.com. This is one of the most popular options for getting started because it's so simple and it gives you so many options for products to sell. Plus, everyone buys things on Amazon nowadays. Amazon pays a smaller amount than some of the other options that you can find out there, but it's still one of the most used affiliate programs. Signing up for all of these is as simple as finding the sign-up form and answering a few questions. Each one will have specific requirements, but they don't take very long to get through the application process. All right, so you've picked your niche and now you know what offers you want to start sharing with them. Now you actually need your audience to be able to find the offer you want to show them. This is where we begin making our content. Now you have two different roads that you can go down. We've got free content and paid content. Now, free content is going to be things like YouTube videos, blogs, or even short form content like Instagram Reels or TikToks. Paid content is going to be things like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok or YouTube ads that are displayed to a target audience, and you pay for every click that the ad gets. Now, free content is going to be a much slower route, but the beauty of it is it's free and evergreen, meaning it continues to grow and gets views as long as it stays online. With paid ads, you get traffic much faster, but it's going to start adding up pretty quick to keep it online. I always suggest starting by making free content, and once you start making some money, then you can kind of experiment around with some paid ads. When it comes to making free content, the goal here is to make content that provides value and answers to their problems. By there, I mean your audience. I'm talking things like product reviews, product comparisons, tutorials, anything that shows off the product and gives your 2 cents on why someone else would find value in it. If these people find your content helpful, they'll generally trust your recommendation and may choose to purchase the product or service that you're sharing. Now, one of the best ways that you can share affiliate links is either in your blog post on your website or in a YouTube video like you're watching right now. When people search for answers on Google or YouTube, the websites that pop up with answers are generally going to be blog posts or YouTube videos created by someone like you. Most of this content is going to include a few affiliate links sprinkled throughout, and you better believe that those are making those websites a pretty penny. You can see how this can start to snowball and start to make a lot of money for doing relatively very little work. You spend a few hours making a piece of content, and it continues to pay you for as long as it stays online. The more people searching for that content, the more people will find you, and the more chances you have of someone clicking on the affiliate link to buy the product or service that you're sharing. This is the best part of making free content to me. You don't have to be a salesperson or feel like you're trying to sell anything to anyone at all. You can legitimately just share your knowledge and your thoughts on products and services to people, and they respect the honesty and feedback that you share. If the person decided to buy the product you recommend, well, then you get paid and it's a job well done. The company is then in charge of getting the customer the product and dealing with all of the customer service involved with keeping them happy. And this is where our niche research can really come in handy. Keywords and search terms that are getting a lot of traffic in your niche are great things to make content on. I use tools like Ahrefs and TubeBuddy here on the YouTube channel to show what phrases and keywords are doing the best so that I can make content that will get found. Then I find the best offer included into that content and can make something that I feel provides the most value to the viewer. And once the content is made, you can just insert your affiliate links into the content when you mention the product or service that you're offering, and that's all there is to it. Now the content will start to gain traction and pick up traffic as the search engine's algorithm does its job. So now you know how I picked my niche and how I found my audience, how I found the best offers and products, and how I go about making free content to share these affiliate links with my audience. Well, now we come to the final step, which is to really seal the deal and make this a complete package. We need a website to put all of our content onto. Now, most of the time, this is going to be through your blog on your website, where you can share your blog posts or your YouTube videos and organize your content based on category. This not only makes you look more established as a business, but it also is great for SEO or search engine optimization to have a legitimate website with a custom domain that hosts all of your content in one place. You can see on our website for Create a Pro website here, we post blog posts along with YouTube content so that our audience can find us easier and get answers to their problems all in one organized place. Your social media accounts are good to have to share your content, but your website should be where you host everything. This is why it's essential to get yourself a professional website with a custom domain when building your website. You want to make sure your brand looks professional and that people can find you easily by typing in your custom domain name and knowing your website is secure with premium hosting. Now, you might be saying, well, geez, it sounds like building a website seems like a lot of work. And ironically enough, that's exactly what I teach you how to do on this channel. I have step-by-step tutorials that guide you through the entire process, and I show you everything you need to set up for success without spending a boatload of money on web design. We even have a sweet deal with Hostinger, our favorite hosting company, to get you set up with 78% off on your premium hosting plan, along with a free domain name for your first year. That means that you can be up and running like a pro without breaking the bank. It's literally as simple as signing up, selecting your domain name, and within a few clicks, your website is up and running. Hostinger makes getting set up with WordPress easier than ever with free themes and add-ons, as well as an SEO-friendly customer management system so you can focus more on making the best content and less time managing your website. If you're ready to jump in and build your website today, check out the video in the top right corner to follow along with me step by step and build an entire affiliate marketing website from the ground up in just over an hour. And if you want to claim that sweet 78% off discount on your premium hosting plan and free domain name for a year, click on the link in the top left corner. I'll see you guys there.